Hi. Hey, if you're watching this, and this means you, this is an instructional video of how we set up for worship here at Columbia Presbyterian Church, Columbia Dream Center. Okay? So pretty easy to get started. We walk into the camera around, and we start up our laptop. First thing we do, start the laptop. See, it's coming on. Then we can go over here to the steps that lead up to the stage, and we get the remote control, this one. And we push the green button, and that will turn on our screens. We have to do it for each one. Now we have to do it for the first one there, and we come over to the same one, point it at the projector, push the button, there we go. When the little light on the projector goes out, that means that the unit is on. Then we come over and we get the other remote for the confidence monitor or the TV screen. Technical word is confidence monitor. It's this one, looks like a regular TV remote. And you push the red button, and that will turn on the TV. There we go. So that unit's on. Now we get to the challenging work, which is to begin to turn on the sound system. Here is the amplifier rack. It is right behind the organ and the guitar case. We come over to this switch, and we turn this key fully clockwise, all the way. So it's straight up and then clockwise, okay? That turns on the amp rack and everything else that runs in it. Our next step is to come over to the iPad for the sound system and press the little disc on the right. You want to press that twice, and that will bring you the icon here. This lower left icon is for the soundboard. Tap that, and you will get this display. It says UC surface, which means Universal Control Surface. And the next thing you want to do is to click on Studio Live 32R. You'll see the progress circle going, and that will bring up the mixer board for our Sunday church services. It's pretty simple after that. There's the iPad track, there's the click, that's the mains. They are fairly set up for Dave's acoustic, Dave's headset, whoever's using that. Next week we're going to be using this podium here. We're going to leave this set up all week for July 9th. And then we just kind of go from here. That's going to be channel 29, so that we're going to turn that one on. And then we have the vocals for Dave and Sue Ann here. They're already set. So everything is coming up as it should on the mixing board, and that is pretty much it. The rest of it is getting the display ready for Sunday morning, which means to come over to the computer and tell it you want it to come on. And it requires a password. That is PRESBCHURCH. Presby Church and the number 2. And there we go. And there is me. Pastor Dave and the team from Food Truck at the LA Dream Center. And then we're just going to go start up PowerPoint. Piece of cake, right? Just click on PowerPoint, and that will take a few minutes to kind of boot up. And once you're in PowerPoint, you just select the file for the appropriate day. There will be a file somewhere for the day that we're doing, and in this case, we will be looking for July 2nd, which is tomorrow, but there will also be a file for July 9th, next Sunday when I'm away, And you who are watching this video will be the one carrying out these steps. So what we want to do is we hit open, we go to browse, we find our file in the disk drive, in the flash drive. That will be down here in USB 20FD. It's the G drive, and there it is, Worship July 2nd. And that's the one we want to have. So we're going to double click on that. It's going to open up. And there are our slides for tomorrow. We have a video in here tomorrow, so we're going to click on Enable Content, because that's important that we do that. And then we have then that's pretty much everything, how to run that. You can watch this over if you need to. Thanks for watching. You can always call me or text me if there are any questions. Okay, thank you for watching.